Namaste. It's May 16th. We're about halfway through the month of May, and today's tip is an intention. An intention is a saying that you can repeat to yourself, and essentially it's a guidepost as to what you are going to focus on for the day. So again, I am pulling from Zabi Yamasaki's Trauma-Informed Yoga deck. And today's card is I Deserve to Live with Ease. And the illustration is ragdoll pose. And I'd like to lead you into that pose now. I invite you to listen to my voice, and I will do a visual demonstration at the very end. But I invite you today to trust in my voice to allow you to safely move into this pose. So coming into a standing pose, you can also do this sitting down. Keep your knees slightly bent, maybe bounce a little bit. And when you're ready, scoop the front of your belly up toward your heart. You may feel your spine wave along. Inhale here, and exhale as you hinge at your hips, bending your knees deeply, bringing your torso towards your thighs. Allow your head to fall heavy. Place one hand on each elbow and just allow your entire torso to hang. Breathing naturally here. With each inhale, feeling your back expand. And with each exhale, feeling any tension or holding release off the crown of your head, falling down into the earth beneath you. As you are here, the invitation is to take a moment to honor the symbolism of this posture, releasing anything that does not serve you, your body, your practice, your life. And again, this is from the card from Zabi's deck. Let whatever isn't serving you roll off your shoulders and onto the safety and support of the space beneath you. If you would like, find a circular motion with your arms, allowing your inhales to guide you up and your exhales to circle you down. I deserve to live with ease. And if you'd like a visual, pose will look something like this. It's hard for me to demo in this particular video, but you're bringing your hands and you're bending over. When you're ready to release, scoop the front of your belly up toward your heart, and gently place your hands on your legs and gently roll yourself up to a seat, a standing position or a seat. Inhale, exhale, release. The light in me honors and adores the light and teacher in you. I am Dawn. I do yoga, and I empower professional business women over 40 to incorporate tips like these into your daily routine to move you from burnt out and frazzled towards centered and calm. I've dropped the link to a free guide with additional tips and tricks. And if you'd like to work with me, please drop an I'm interested, and I will be in touch. Be well, and I will see you all soon.